Hello, I'm Jason at CodeLearner.com. Here we're going to create our first program from within the Eclipse editor that we have just installed, and you'll see how easy it is to do. There are a few gotchas along the way, but everything that we're going to learn in this lesson is going to be what you're going to do every single time you create a new program. So it will become like second nature after a few minutes. So here we have a blank Eclipse editor. And just to kind of show you, in the Workspace folder that I'm using, all we have is that metadata directory that Eclipse created. There's nothing else in there. And so, as we talked about before, Eclipse is going to organize all of your code. So every program that we write is going to be stored in that Workspace folder that we have selected. All right, so the first thing we need to do is create a new, so we go to File, New, Java Project. The Java project is going to be a container for our program. So you can think of all of your programs are going to be stored in these projects. So go ahead and hit that guy and you'll be presented with a dialog box. There's a lot of options here. Many of them don't matter here in the beginning for us because we're really just concerned with getting up and running with understanding the basics of Java. So for the project name, since we're on lesson number 7 right now, I'm going to call it lesson 7. And it's kind of recommended that you don't put spaces in your project names. It doesn't matter too much, but I like to go ahead and keep it there. So I'll say lesson_7. The location for this project is going to be in our lesson workspace, lesson_7. All of this stuff can stay the same, and we're going to create separate folders for the source file and the class file. So that means that instead of lumping it all together, Eclipse is going to create a separate folder for the output of the class file. You can hit the next button and just see what's on the next tab. Basically, it's just telling you it's going to create a source folder, and the output folder is going to be